In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posters in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Canva, all the way to downloading a print-ready or web-ready poster. By the end, you'll be able to put together a clean, professional-looking design, even if you're brand new to Canva. First, log into your Canva account in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, look over to the left-hand side and click on the Create button. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Type the word poster into that search field. Canva will now show you different poster formats, including various sizes, orientations like portrait or landscape, and different suggested uses such as event posters, classroom posters, or promotional posters. Take a moment to choose the option that best fits your needs, then click it. Canva will open that poster size inside the main editor. When the editor loads, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side of the screen. For this tutorial, we'll use one of Canva's ready-made templates to speed things up. At the top of that panel, there's another search bar that lets you filter templates by style or use. You can type in keywords like sale, event, minimal, or business to narrow down the options. Scroll through until you find a design you like, then simply click on it. The template will drop straight onto your blank canvas, replacing the default page. Now you can customize the content of the template so it matches your message. Start with the text. Click on any existing text box and type in your own wording. When a text box is selected, a toolbar appears at the top of the screen. Use this bar to change the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. If you need extra text, open the text tab on the left and add a heading, subheading, or body text. Try to keep your main headline bold, high contrast, and large enough to read from a distance. Next, update the graphics and images. Open the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, lines, or decorative illustrations. You can search within Elements for specific items, like arrows or social media icons. If you have your own photos, logos, or brand graphics, go to the Uploads tab and drag them onto the canvas. Resize and position them by clicking and dragging the corners. To change the overall feel of your design, adjust the background. Click on an empty area of the poster to select the background layer. You can then change the color using the color picker, or choose a pattern, gradient, or photo background from the options on the left. Once you're happy with your poster, it's time to export it. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. Now you'll select the file type. If you plan to take your poster to a professional printer or need a high-quality print, choose PDF print. If you're mainly sharing the poster online, on social media, email, or a website, select PNG or JPEG instead. Under each file type, you can adjust a few extra settings, such as page selection or quality, depending on what Canva offers for that format. When everything looks good, click the download button and wait for the file to be prepared. Once the download is finished, your poster is ready to print or share. And that's it. You've just created a custom poster in Canva, from choosing the size to picking a template, customizing the content, and exporting it in the right format.